What's up, YouTube? My name is Vince.
And I'm Nick.
Yo, if this is your first time to the channel, you might not know that we have been dying to give away this Milwaukee M18 FUEL 1-key combo kit. It's got Gen 2 hammer drill and impact driver in there.
What?
Yo, today we're gonna tell you how you can win this kit. Stay tuned. Why are we giving it away? Because it's our way of saying thank you for being the coolest community on all of YouTube.
That's right.
Over the course of the last year, along with the help of YouTube and the very cool gang, we have created one of the most interactive, coolest communities on all of YouTube.
That's right.
They're called the Very Cool Gang. So what you gotta do to win this kit? Well, there's a couple rules. Number one,
Uno,
is you gotta like this video. Rule number two is you gotta be subscribed to the channel. Rule number three is you should share the video.
definitely should share it.
Rule number four is you gotta be in the lower 48 states here in the US. Why? Because quite frankly, if we have to ship it overseas, if we have to ship it up to Canada, I hate to do this to my Canadian friends, or if we have to ship it to like Alaska or Hawaii, it'll cost more
It's $1,000.
It'll cost more than the tools themselves. So I'm sorry, on this one, we want to keep it here in the 48 states, here in the mainland.
Yeah.
Okay, so you gotta be in the mainland. You also have to tell us what you could do with this toolkit
Why you use it?
and how you found the channel.
Yes. In the comment.
That's it, that's all you gotta do. The channel needs to get to 9,000 subscribers.
Woo!
By August 31st, 11:59 p.m.
Yes.
That's it.
That's it.
And quite frankly, with the help of the Very Cool Gang, that is an easily doable task, right?
Totally obtainable goal.
It's really. So let's get it done.
The gang can do it.
What we will do is, well, if you've been around the channel, you might know that we'll do some crazy stuff leading up to that deadline.
Yes.
But if you've been following along with the channel, pretty much at midnight on the 1st of September, this kit's gonna be getting given away.
Yes.
So with that, yo, make sure you leave your comments. You must meet all criteria. You gotta share the video. You gotta like the video. You gotta be subscribed. You gotta tell us what you're gonna do with the kit, how you found the channel.
Do all those things.
The comments gotta meet the criteria. With that, I wanna say, everybody, I appreciate every single one of you. Let's get going. We want somebody to win this kit. See you on the next one.
Let's do it!
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, here, and maybe over here. See you later.